with another video. Sorry for spamming y'all. But first, welcome to another freaking banger. Another big body banger. So, another how-to video. I had to make weird noises, like how to make that noise. First, you're going to want to chew on this part a little hard, so I can be flat like that, and then big. Then you suck a little.